Jesus is one and only Son, that whosoever believe in Him shall not perish but have eternal life, na yung nalaman ang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa sanlibutan, kaya inibigay niya ang niyang buntong na anak upang ang sino man sumampalataya sa Kanya hindi pa mapagdinaroon ng buhay na walang hanggan.
Proverbs
chapter 23, verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He may delight in green pastures, He lead me beside quiet water. I restore my soul. He guides me path of righteousness. Snails say, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and staff, I comfort me. Prepare your table before me in the presence of enemy. My all will my cup overflow. Surely goodness and love and follow me for the days of my life. I lay in the house of the Lord forever. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Father, do not separate your children. Stand bringing up in the training affection of the Lord. Mga anak, sundin ninyo ang inyong mga magulang alang-alang sa Panginoon, sapagkat ito ang nararapat. Mga magulang, huwag ninyo ibuyo sa pag-iimagsik laban sa inyo ng mga anak, dahil sa labis ninyong kaipitan, sa halip palakihin sila na itunin at aral ng Panginoon.
Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10. Fear
not, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed. I am your God. Steady me. Will help you. Restore your right hands.
Ano naman? Jesus, ang nalayong. Jesus sa krus, ika'y namatay, nabuhay muli, para mundo ligtas. Kasalanan ko nga, patawarin mo, maging kaibigan ko, maging Panginoon.
Panginoon, tulungan mo magsimula muli, buhay ko alay sa'yo. Tulungan mo
Magsimula muli,
buhay ko alay sa'yo.
Jesus English. Jesus
Jesus, you died upon the cross and rose again to save the lost.
Ganun ka.
Forgiving now of all my sin, condemn I say the Lord of friends. Change my life and make me new, and help me, Lord, to live for you. Change my life and make me new, and help me,
Jesus
Lord,
ulit.
to live for you.
Jesus.
Sa krus ika'y namatay, nabuhay muli, para mundo'y ligtas. Kasalanan ko nga, patawarin mo, maging kaibigan ko, Panginoon.
Tingnan mo ko sa iyan, ano?
Tulungan mo magsimula muli,
Ayan.
buhay ko alay sa'yo. Tulungan mo magsimula muli, buhay ko alay sa'yo, alay sa'yo.
Ayan na.